Welcome to Sarasa Samutsarn School. This is Science Matayom 2, and my name is Teacher Carla G. Circulado. Now let's begin our lesson for today by reading first our vocabulary words. So please listen carefully as I read each word twice, then please repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay, now let's begin. Glass, glass. Good job. Materials, materials. Good job. Mirror, mirror. Good job. Translucent, translucent. Good job. Transparent, transparent. Good job. Now let's do our dictation for 3 words. So get one piece of paper or in your notebooks and write your name, grade, and student number. Okay, now let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word glass. Number 1, glass. Number 2, spell the word mirror. Number 2, mirror. And number 3, spell the word translucent. Number 3, translucent. Okay, now let's check your answers. Get your red pen. For checking, if your answer is correct, please put 1, but if your answer is incorrect, you have to copy the correct answer beside your answer. So, let's begin. Our first word is glass. Everybody, please read and spell together. Glass. G L A S S. Glass. Very good. So, a glass is a material that we use for drinking. This example right here is a transparent material. We can see right through this glass. Okay, the next word is mirror. Let's read and spell together. Mirror. M I R R O R. Mirror. Very good. So, a mirror is a reflective material. The mirror does not transmit any light, but bounce all of the lights. That's why we can see our reverse image or reflection. Very good. Okay, so the third word is translucent. Everybody read and spell together. Translucent. T R A N S L U C E N T. Translucent. Very good. So this example right here is a translucent material. It does not transmit all the lights, but it transmits some of the lights. That's why we can see through, but it's not clear. That is a translucent material. Very good. So, for our topic for today, our leading question is, does materials respond to light in the same way? And number 2 question, how does light respond to a transparent material? We will find out the answers on our topic for today. which is Materials and Light Transmission. On Unit 1, Light. Please open up your books and turn on page 8. Materials and Light Transmission. Okay, now let's begin. Materials around us, as we see, respond to light in different ways. Okay, it responds in different ways. It depends on the material. So we will first talk about this first material, which is a transparent materials. Everybody repeat after me. Transparent materials. Transparent materials. Very good. So a transparent materials transmit most of the light that falls on them. Okay? So the lights, it transmit most of the light through this material. Okay, so let's see this example first. Okay, this drawing right here, this is the surface of a transparent material. And these are the light rays. Okay, this light. So when the light hits the surface of a transparent material, it will goes through. Okay, it will transmit all the lights inside. Okay, so as we can see in this example, okay, this transparent glass, the light is transmitting through. That's why we can see what's inside. What is inside the transparent glass? We can see that there is a orange juice, okay, because the light is transmitting most of it through this material. Okay, that is a transparent material. Okay, again, what is a material that transmits most of the light that falls on them? Very good. We call it transparent materials. Good job. Again, let's answer the leading question. Number 1. Does materials respond to light in the same way? Good job. No. It responds in different ways. Okay, depends on the material. Then the second question. How does light respond to transparent materials? Good job. Transparent materials transmit most of the light. Okay, so that's why we can see right through a transparent materials. Very good, everybody. Okay, so for our next slide, the question is, how does light respond to a translucent materials? And the second question, can light transmit in a reflective material? We will find out the answers on our next slides, so you better listen. Okay, the next material is translucent materials. Everybody, can you please repeat after me? Translucent. Very good. So a translucent materials, it allows some light to travel through them. Okay, so it says that it allows some. Okay, not all of it. Okay, now let's see this one. Okay, so this is the surface of a translucent material. And this is again the light rays. So when the light rays hit the surface of a translucent material, it does not directly transmitted to a translucent materials. Okay, some lights are still transmitted but not directly. Okay, just some of it. Okay, that's why as on our example right here, which is the plastic bottle, okay, we can still see right through it, but it's not very clear, not like the transparent material, because a translucent material does not allow all of the light to be transmitted. Okay, just some of them. Again, what material does allow some light to travel through them? Very good. Translucent materials. Good job. Okay, the next material is an opaque materials. Again, repeat after me. Opaque. Very good. So, an opaque materials do not transmit any light. Okay? So, let's see again the sample right here. So, this is the surface of an opaque material. Okay? And these are the light rays. As you can see, the light rays cannot be transmitted through an opaque material. Okay? It does not goes through. Okay, that's why on our example right here, which is a cup of a bottle, we cannot see inside the cup. Okay, we cannot see inside, we just see the outside. Okay, because the light cannot go through an opaque material. Again, what material does not transmit any light? Very good. We call it an opaque materials. Good job. Okay, so the next one is a reflective materials. Everybody, can you please repeat after me? Reflective materials. Good job. So a reflective materials do not let any light pass through, but bounce off all light that falls on them. Okay, so it does not let any light pass through like an opaque material, but the light are bounced off. Okay, so let's see again. This is the surface of a reflective material. Okay, so as we can see, when the light ray hits the surface, it bounces off. Okay, it does not transmit through, but it bounces off. Okay, so all the light that strikes through a reflective material does not transmit but bounces off. Okay, that's why we can see reflection. Okay, so the example right here is a steel or metal spoon. Okay, so we can see the light is being bounced. Okay, the light is bouncing off. We cannot see right through the spoon because the light cannot transmit inside, but the light, as we can see, it's reflecting light. Okay, because the light is bouncing off. Okay, again, what is the material that do not any light pass but bounces off all the light? Very good. It's called reflective materials. Good job, everybody. Now let's answer the question. How does light respond to a translucent material? Good job. Translucent material allows some light to travel through them. Okay, so that's why we can still see inside, but it's not clear. The second question, can light transmit in a reflective material? Very good. No, but the reflective material bounces off all the light that falls on them. That's why it is a reflective material. We can see like this one. This is a reflective material, so the light are bouncing off its material. Very good. Okay, so for our next slide, the question is, give one example each of transparent, translucent, opaque, and reflective materials. So for this slide, it says let's find more objects and identify how they transmit light. Okay, so we will have set of objects as an example and we will identify which material. Okay, so the first one is the transparent material. Okay, repeat after me, transparent. Very good. So a transparent material transmits most of its light. Okay, so we can see right through a transparent material. Okay, the first object is water. Everybody repeat after me, water. Very good. So, what material is water? Very good. It is a transparent material because the light transmits right through water. Very good. Another one is windshield. Okay, so in cars, buses that has windshield, we can see right through the windshield because the light passes, most of its light transmit through a windshield. Very good. Another example is cellophane. Can you repeat after me? Cellophane. Very good. So this is the cellophane, okay? It's in red and blue. Okay, we can see right through a cellophane because it is a transparent material. Okay, it's in different color, but we can still see clearly. Okay, very good. Again, can you give me one example or one object of a transparent material? Very good. So, any of these three. Very good. The next material, we will see the objects of a translucent material. Everybody repeat after me. Translucent. Very good. So, we know that a translucent materials transmit some of its lights. Okay, that's why we can see right through it but not very clearly. Okay, so the first object is a waxed paper. Everybody repeat after me. Waxed paper. Very good. So, what material is a waxed paper? Very good. It is a translucent material because we can still see through but not clearly. Okay, because it just transmits some of the light. Okay, another one is a tissue paper. Okay, it is a translucent because we can see through but not very clearly. Okay, another one, frosted glass. Everybody repeat after me. Frosted glass. Good job. Okay, this one is also a translucent material. Very good. Okay, another set of objects is an opaque material. Everybody repeat after me. Opaque. Very good. So as we know that an opaque material does not transmit any light. Okay, so the first object is brick. Everybody repeat after me. Brick. Okay, does light transmit through a brick? Very good. No. Okay, the light does not transmit through a brick. Very good. Another example is a chessboard. Okay, so a chessboard is an opaque object. Okay, we cannot see through. Another one is the plate. Everybody repeat after me. Plate. Very good. Plate is an opaque object because the light does not transmit through a plate. Very good. Again, can you give me an example or an object of an opaque material? Good job. Any of these three and many more around us. Okay, the next one is the reflective material. Everybody repeat after me. Reflective. Very good. So we know that a reflective material does not transmit any light, but the light bounces off. Okay? We cannot see right through a reflective material, but we can see the reflection because of the light bouncing off. Okay, the first object is a reflector. Everybody repeat after me, reflector. Very good. So a reflector, is it a reflective material? Very good. Yes, coming from the word reflect. Okay? So it is a reflective material because the light does not transmit but bounces off. The second object is the mirror. Okay? So as I've said, when the light strikes at a reflective surface, the light will bounce off. Okay? So in that case, we will see a reverse image. In this example, we can see the opposite of this mirror, which is the tree behind the car, okay? So the next, another example of a reflective material is the mirror ball. Everybody repeat after me, mirror ball. Very good. So a mirror ball, also a reflective material because the light bounces off. So this is used in pubs or discos. Very good, everybody. So let's answer the question. Give one example each of a transparent, translucent, opaque, and reflective materials. Okay, you can think of your own examples. You can look around you. For sure, you will see examples of transparent, translucent, opaque, and reflective materials. Good job, everybody! For your exercise for this topic, you can get one piece of paper or in your books, okay? You can still, you will also put your name, grade, and student number, and we will do mind mapping. Okay, so for mind mapping, the instruction is expand your ideas and write down keywords that will show connections or relationships to the central topic that is given. Okay, so we will expand our imaginations or our ideas and we will write down just keywords to show connections to the given central topic. So we will see our central topic in this slide. The central topic is the materials and light transmissions. Okay, so this is the central topic, the materials and light transmissions. So we have discussed the four materials. Okay, I will give you an example. Okay, let's do an example. For example, the first, okay, I will do an opaque material. Okay, I can write here, opaque. Okay, sorry, it's very hard to write. Okay, opaque. Okay, so you can write the material here, opaque. Then we have transparent, we have translucent, and we have reflective. And you can think of an example, okay? You can draw the line to show connection, and you can write an example. What is an example of an opaque material? For example, basketball or soccer ball. Then, you can connect again to another idea. If you can think of one more example, then you can write here, okay? So I'll write, for example, basketball. Okay, I'll just write ball because it's quite long. Okay, so that is ball, and another one, you can write it here. So just like that, you can think of examples of each material. Okay, understand, everybody? Okay, understand? You can write it here and you can write the examples here. Okay, very good everyone. Now, let's move on to our summary. Okay, I prepared summary questions for us to answer. The first summary question: does materials respond to light in the same way? Very good. No, it responds in different ways. Okay, depends on the object or material. Good job. The second summary question: how does light transmit in a translucent material? Good job. It allows some light to travel through them. The number 3 summary question: how does light transmit in an opaque material? Very good. It does not allow any light to travel through them. Good job. And number 4 question: how does light transmit in a transparent material? Very good. It allows most of the light to travel through them. And the last summary question: can light transmit in a reflective material? Very good. No, but bounce off all the light that falls on them. Good job, everybody. You're all doing a good job. Once again, thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. Just a friendly reminder, don't forget to wash your hand, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy and your vitamins, because we will see you soon. Goodbye!